Assalamu alaikum everyone. Have you ever dreamed of studying abroad completely free, getting a monthly stipend, earning a master or a PhD from an international recognized university without paying an application fee, without first finding a professor, and with just one application being able to apply to up to 5 universities? Well, today I have one of the biggest scholarship opportunities currently open for international students. I am talking about the GCUB Brazil Mobility Scholarship 2027. This scholarship is not for one university, not for two universities, but for 62 universities across Brazil. This year, mean 2027, they are offering an incredible 889 fully funded scholarship that include 539 master scholarship and 350 PhD scholarship. And the best part, the application is completely free. Many participating programs do not require IELTS or TOEFL. All through applicant should always verify the language requirements of their chosen program. You also do not need to secure a supervisor before applying, which removes one of the biggest obstacles students usually face when applying for graduate scholarship. And here is another amazing feature. Instead of preparing a separate application for multiple universities, you can apply up to 5 universities with one single application. Yes, one single application, 5 universities, 889 scholarship opportunities. If you have been waiting for a fully funded scholarship in Europe, Asia, or North America but have not had success yet, don't ignore Brazil. Brazil has some of Latin America's strongest universities, internationally recognized research institution, modern laboratories, excellent professors, and a rapidly growing research environment. Thousands of international students are already studying there through scholarship program like JCUB. And in today's video, I am going to explain everything step by step. So make sure you stay with me until the end because missing even one small requirement should could lead to your application being rejected. And if you are serious about studying abroad, don't forget to subscribe the Scholar Orbit because here we don't just tell you about scholarship, we explain the entire application process in a simple way, practical and a student friendly way. Now let's begin. First of all, let's understand what this scholarship actually is. Many of students think JCB is a university. It's not. JCB stands for the Group of Brazilian Universities. It is an organization that brings together dozens of Brazilian higher educational institutions to promote international academic cooperation. Every year, JCB collaborates with participating universities to offer scholarship to outstanding international students from around the world. Instead of applying separately to each university, JCB provides a centralized application system. This makes the process much easier for international applicants. For 2027 intake, the program is offering scholarship at 62 participating Brazilian universities, mean that you can participate in 62 universities in Brazil. Together, these universities are offering a total of 889 in scholarship. These scholarships are available for master degree and PhD degree. Unfortunately, this program doesn't include bachelor degree. So if you are currently looking for undergraduate scholarship, don't worry. We regularly cover bachelor opportunities here are Scholar Orbit. And you shall find many more in our upcoming videos. Now let's look at the scholarship number. This year there are 539 number master scholarship and 300 PhD scholarship, bringing to the total of 889 fully funded opportunities. That is a very large number compared with many international scholarship programs. This means that students have multiple options instead of completing for only a few seats. Another major advantage is that these scholarships are available across many different universities. Each university has offer different research area, department, laboratories, professor, and academic strengths. This gives applicant much greater flexibility when choosing a program that much their academic background and future career goal. And remember, you are not restricted to only one university. You may select up to five different university program combination with a single application depending on the official program rules. That significantly increases your chances of admission compared to scholarships where you can apply only choose one institution. Now some students may ask why should I choose Brazil? That's actually a very good question. When students think about studying abroad, countries like Germany, Canada, Australia, Japan, or the UK usually come to the mind first. But Brazil has come one of the most attractive destinations for graduate education, especially for research students. Why? Because Brazilian universities have invested heavily in scientific research, innovation, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, engineering, agriculture, environmental science, health science, computer science, renewable energy, social sciences. Many Brazilian universities are internationally recognized and collaborate with institutions across Europe, North America, and Asia. A degree earned from these universities is recognized internationally because can strengthen your academic profile and future employment, research, and postdoctoral opportunities. Another advantage is Brazil's rich cultural diversity. You should study alongside students from many different countries, build international connection, and gain valuable global experience that employ universities appreciate. Living in Brazil also gives you exposure to a new language, new culture, and a dynamic academic environment, helping you grow both personally and professionally. For each task, for research student, this international experience can be just as valuable as the degree itself. Who can apply? Now let's answer the question that almost every student asks first. Eligible? Am I eligible in general? This scholarship is open to applicants from countries that maintain diplomatic relationships with Brazil. That includes students from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, many African countries, Middle Eastern countries, and numerous other eligible nations. For master program, applicant must already hold a bachelor degree or be completing one according to the official eligibility timeline. For PhD program, applicant must be already hold a master's degree or be completing one with the permitted time frame. Mean that if your degree is not completed yet and you are in semester 7 or in semester 8, you can apply through Hope Certificate. One of the biggest advantage of the JCUB scholarship is that many participating programs do not require IELTS or TOEFL, and that is the biggest opportunity. However, language requirement may vary by university and program, so applicants should always check the specific requirement before applying. Another major advantage is that prior supervisor acceptance is not required. Before submitting your application, this makes the application process much simpler than many other international research scholarship, and that's the only beginning. In the next part, we shall must go deeper in the eligibility criteria, scholarship benefits, funding details, requirements, documents, and the complete application strategy that can significantly improve your chances of selection. So let's go to computer screen to practically view and look and see that how can you apply. So this is the link I have attached in this link will be you find in the description. So if you want this link to apply as soon as possible because the scholarship deadline is 6 July. 6 July. 6 July is the deadline. 6 July 2026. So sorry, 2026 is the deadline. This is the deadline. So keep in mind that apply as soon as possible. So this is the link I have already opened. So this is the link. Whenever you whenever you click on this link is in your description. So apart from description, you can simply apply through the scholarship. So whenever you click on this link, this will land you in this page. So choose your language. I so translate translate this to English and choose your language. I choose English, and this will be require verification, security verification of human being, not to robot. This website uses security service to protect it against malicious bots. This page displays while they verifies you. So verification successfully. So now we can apply. So here is the six. As you can see, here is six sections, and you should fill the six sections to. So this is the name. I A dummy name, and a dummy. I apply through a dummy information for the sake of this application. So you can apply. I choose Ali, and Ali Khan, Ali Lal, and six is male or female is you are prepared, and the date of birth is you can choose anything. Let's see, this is the date of birth, and country of origin where you belong. In my case it is the Pakistan, and where is Pakistan? Here is Pakistan, and select the presidents from where you live. And so I'm currently in Pakistan, so just choose the Pakistan. Yeah, Pakistan, and your full address. uh, as you can everything, I just giving no, I just giving Lahore, Shalimar Bagh. Yeah, and yeah, this is a dummy Gmail application.com, and here you copy this email number 2. You can also select country code is plus Bahanme in my case, and area code is phone number security, and also you can choose the first number and first your name, your surname, date of birth, six, country of origin, country of residence, full address, email number 1, email number 2 in emergency case, your country code, your area code, your phone number, your document type mean passport or national identity, issuing country mean your country from where you apply, and document number mean what how many documents you are applying, and its expiration date mean document number matlab tare. I mean the document number mean passport number or your identity card number, and the expiration date of the passport or the identity card. So you should upload passport or identity card scannable image and PDF, and PDF. Only PDF will be accepted. Do you have any disability? No. Emergency contact. Also, you can fill in this section or father, mother, sister, everything. Just next. After you next, you will be land on the let's see, this is the first number section where you can name surname as you can see, and the second number is choose your language fluency, or whether you can select English, Portuguese, Spanish, everything you can select, and just next, and just next. The third number section is about academic background, bachelor degree, master degree, PhD degree, academic transcripts, including, and just click I hereby certify that, and just next. After in four number section, just your professional information, if you have any experience you can fill this section, and just next. And the last section in five number question, choice of host university and graduate program, you can choose up to five prepper program and five universities, so you can upload all the required documents, and the last number is declaration, just you can take that I have all programs, and your apply is ready. So if you want to uh, so as soon as possible, apply to this scholarship. This is the JCB Mobility Scholarship, fully funded for Master and PhD. And also, I have dropped all the details in the comment section. So keep applying and subscribe the Skylar Orbit. See you in the next video.